I recently posted a video about Chadwick Boseman's estate where I went through why we were in probate, what the value of his estate was, my suspicions about that value, as well as how it ended up being divided in the end. In this video, I'm going to talk about some of the opportunities that were missed by failing to plan his estate. In this video, I'm going to talk about some of the opportunities that Chadwick Boseman missed by failing to have an estate plan in place. First of all, about $900,000 was paid out for taxes in his estate. With estate planning, you are able to limit or reduce your tax liability. It can be done, for example, through having a living trust or by transferring some of your assets by either pay on death beneficiaries, or there's some other tools involved. The second opportunity that was missed was the ability to have control over who receives what assets. With his estate, because he died with a wife but no children, what ended up happening is his estate was divided between his parents and his wife. Now, we don't know if that's what he actually wanted, but if it wasn't what he wanted, the only way for him to have avoided that would have been to have some estate planning. He could have had a will where he clearly designated who was to receive which assets, or again, he could have had a living trust that made it clear still who would receive what assets, and also when and how they would receive the assets. And the final opportunity that was missed by Chadwick Boseman's failure to have an estate plan was privacy. Because his wife had to open probate, we all know all the business. We have all the tea because probate is public. It's done in probate court, and our courts are public here in the United States. If he had had, for example, a living trust, we would have no information about what happened and how the assets were divided, or even what the value of the estate was, and that is because trusts are private. So if you live in the states of New York, New Jersey, and Florida and need to either have your estate plan drafted or to update your estate plan, click on the link below and schedule a free estate planning consultation with me. If you happen to live in a state other than the three that I just mentioned, not a problem. Feel free to reach out to me by either email or slide into my DMs, and I'd be happy to connect you with one of the attorneys in my network. Like my page and follow me if you like my estate planning and probate tips.